Yes, sir.
I say, sir, that is spooky.
Dingalingaboom.
Oh, bravo, yes.
Yes. Well, it started badly, and it tailed off a little in the middle, and the less said about the end, the better. But apart from that, I was going to miss a pigeon.
You shot my spickled Jim! Well, not you, obviously, sir.
Captain Blackadder definitely did not shoot this delicious plump-breasted pigeon, sir.
That's a blatant lie, sir. Hi, spickled Jim.
Here, cancel the state funeral, tell the king to stop blubbing.
Spickled Jim
Is not dead. I simply ran out of juice. Yeah, and before all the girls start saying, oh, what's the point living anymore, I'm talking about petrol.
Don't tread on a mine. She trod on a mine. Well, I say a mine, it was more a cluster of mines, and she was blown to smithereens, and as she rocketed up into the air, she said something I couldn't quite catch.
Petrol! We're running out!
It's heartbreaking, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, well, can't be helped, can't be helped.